In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use ChatGPT in incognito mode in just a few simple steps. This is a quick and easy method if you want to browse privately, keep your session separate, or open ChatGPT without using your regular browser history and saved logins. If this video helps, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials. Alright, let's get started. First, open your browser. This can be Chrome, Edge, or any browser that supports incognito mode. Once the browser is open, look to the top right corner and click on the three dots menu. This is where your browser settings and private browsing options are located. From the menu, click on New Incognito window. A new private window will open, and you'll usually notice the darker theme or private browsing icon to confirm you're in incognito mode. Now that you're in the incognito window, go to the search bar and search for ChatGPT. You can also type in the official ChatGPT website directly if you already know it. Open the official ChatGPT page from the results so you know you're using the correct site. Once ChatGPT loads, you can start using it right away if you just want to try it without signing in. If you want full access to your chats and history, you can also log in as normal. That's it. You've now opened ChatGPT in incognito mode and you're ready to use it privately. It's a simple trick, but it can be useful when you want a fresh session or a little extra privacy while browsing. If this tutorial helped you, please like the video and subscribe for more helpful guides just like this one.